Let's become smarty pants today, okay? I'll meet you over at the easel. And here we go. Are we ready to get a little artsy, a little smarty pantses? Okay, we're going to take a toothbrush. An old toothbrush. Don't use your boyfriend or your girlfriend or husband or wife's. An old one. And we've got some blue and a little bit of black to make it kind of grayish bluey. And we're going to splatter that in here. Now, if a little bit of it gets out, there's no problem. We can take care of that. But what we're going to do is we're going to make it look like this thing has got leaves. Like that. See there? Look at how cool that is, huh? Just like that. Nice and gentle. Now, if any of it gets out, which some of it did, just a damp brush like this. It's still wet. Just a damp brush like this. And it'll go away. Just as easy as that. Okay? Never panic. We just fix things. Like that. Okay, there we go. We'll fix it down here. Just like that. And as that dries, it's going to get a little lighter. And all of a sudden, our tree has got some leaf action going, okay? Be with me tomorrow. And we'll do a little cutting in here and cutting in there. And we will make this tree look just like it's sitting out in the open, okay? Be with me tomorrow. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit the link, leave comments. We need the comments really bad. And remember that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love you. There we go. Not that hard at all. Looks great. Be with me tomorrow. Remember that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love you and you and you and everybody.